Hi, welcome to another junior algebra video. We're going to now step into the world of multiplying algebraic terms. We've spent the last couple of videos talking about adding and subtracting, and now we're talking about multiplying terms. Right, quick recap on some of the key words you need to know by now. When I write down a term like 4x, it means 4 times some number called x. So x could be some number, and we're going 4 times that number. The 4 is called a coefficient. The number that gets multiplied by a letter is called a coefficient. The x is called a variable. Right, here are the key rules about multiplying algebraic terms. First of all, we simplify and write the coefficient first. So the number at the front is dealt with first. Any letters or variables are written in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, and so on. And remember the key thing in algebra, we do not write a multiplication sign. It's one of the things we don't do in algebra. We kind of think like we're lazy. We don't do a times or multiplying sign. All right, here we go. Example 1. Let's simplify this. Number G times 2 times a number B. So the key thing is we're going to put the number first, the coefficient first, 2 goes first, and then we write it in alphabetical order. B comes before G, and we don't write any times sign. So we're going to write it as 2BG. That means 2 times the number B times the number G. Remember, when we multiply, it doesn't matter which order we do it, because 6 times 2 is the same as 2 times 6. So it doesn't matter if we mix up the order when we multiply, so long as we follow these rules. Put the number first and then write it alphabetically. Right, number 2. A number y times 2 times the number x times 3. So this is what we're going to do here. We're going to do our coefficients first. So we've got 2 times 3, and that makes 6. So we're going to put the coefficient of 6 first, and then we're going to write it as y and x. No, we're not. We're going to write it as x and y because we do it alphabetically. So we have 6 times the number x times the number y. All right, example 3. Let's simplify 3 times a times b, 3ab, times 6 times a, 6a. Right, well, let's deal with the coefficients first. 3 times 6 makes 18. So we're going to put 18 out the front. Now we've got all these variables, a, b times another a, and we're going to put them all alphabetically. And here's what some students might try and do, and they might go a, b. Now that is not the correct way we write things in algebra, because we don't write a and a next to each other. We're going to talk more in powers later on about this, that we're going to write a times a is a squared. Number times itself is something squared. So whenever you have a and a, you write it as a squared. But we will deal with that more in a video coming up later. So our final answer is 18a squared b. Right, what about number 4? Negative 4b times 2a. Negative 4b times 2a. Let's do our coefficients first. Negative 4 times 2. A negative number times a positive number is a negative number. So negative 4 times 2 makes negative 8. And then we just put the letters alphabetically with no multiplication sign. So we're just going to go AB. So we end up with negative 8AB. Right, that's us for now. Thank you for watching.